Magiclean Fryer Boil Out is a safe, non-foaming, non-caustic cleaner that effectively removes carbonized deposits from your fryer walls. This powerful cleaner cuts the carbon and gummy grease deposits that degrade oil, ruin fried food quality, and cut the energy efficiency of deep fryers. Using Magiclean Fryer Boil Out regularly makes fryers shine and ensures energy efficiency and high oil quality. Before you begin, ensure that you have all the necessary tools and equipment. These are safety equipment, face shield, heat-resistant apron, and gloves. A large pot or oil caddy to discard the used oil. Heat-proof nylon brush. Clean towels. And of course, Magiclean Fryer Boil Out. Turn off the fryer to be cleaned. Drain the used oil into a large pot or oil caddy and discard in your restaurant's approved oil discard receptacle. Fill the fryer with water to about 1 inch below the fill line. Place a large pot under the drain valve. Next, add the correct dosage of Magiclean to the fryer. For proper dosage for your fryers, refer to the usage chart on the Magiclean container. Use a heat-proof nylon brush to evenly distribute the Magiclean powder. Turn on the fryer and place the temperature setting to 200 degrees. If your fryer has a boil-out setting, place it on that setting. Allow the solution to simmer for 30 minutes. Do not hard boil. After 30 minutes, turn off the fryer. Using the heat-proof nylon brush, brush the walls of the fryer. Drain the water solution from the fryer and discard. Refill the fryer with water to the fill line. Replace the large pot under the drain valve. Brush the walls of the fryer again. Drain the water from the fryer. Using clean towels, wipe the fryer walls until completely dry. Refill the fryer with fresh oil. For additional instructions or information, please check with your manager or supervisor, other sections of this training video, or call one of our field service experts.